scooter. It's like small designs inside, and they're like going along to make up one big piece. So that the benefit of 3D printing a part is that it takes less time, because if you were to have it made in a factory, then it would take about a few months or so to actually get it done. It would cost thousands of dollars, but with printing it's easy and it's faster. It takes like a few hours.
Tattoos. But this was something I laser cut with file print. Normally when it's connected, here you say epilogue engraver. You go preferences. So it's a little different than a regular printer, but it's relative. It's pretty similar.
The power that's coming in.
Is that where the motor is going to be?
This is where the motor would be going in, but we'll it up first before the work.
Is that the power?
Yeah, I'm doing that now. Yeah, we printed a few parts to understand the mechanics and to understand how CAD models are, how they look in real life, and how dimensioning is very important. Tolerances are very important. It's better to I won't say over design, but give enough gap or room for your parts to come together and assemble. So this is our planetary gear train. It consists of 3 planetary gears and a ring gear and a sun gear, which is in the middle. This sun gear will be attached to our motor. This ring gear is going to be rotating around this planetary gear, and the sun gear is going to be stationary. The motor will also be rotating and will be generating current. So the sleeves are the rubber sleeves that will be close to the scooter wheel, and it will help improve traction, or increase friction, improve traction between the wheel and the product we just made. And this is our internal guts. Still needs more revision, more room to fit some of our electronics, to fit the mechanical parts. Yep, we need to make more designs for this. So essentially, if this actually is put together correctly, this will be somewhere, actually, it should be somewhere in here.
All fit.
But yeah, everything, so these parts don't actually fit yet, but once we get them right, it's supposed to all fit together with the ball bearings at the end. The motor is going to be in here. The electronic is going to be somewhere on this end. Another set of ball bearings and the extra part of the axle. So, if other parts come together, this should be, it should be a nice assembly at the end.
Working with Erica's files,
They were good. They printed well.
or what were some of the issues that you saw?
Just tolerance issues mostly. So not enough space was left for basically the inaccuracy of the machine, and stuff didn't necessarily mesh well. So next time you want to just add a little extra buffer so that things can actually